Hello, I'm Maninder Kaur. I've been teaching English for the past 18 years, but recently I have a pressing wish to open my own institute that serves online and offline modes. But initially, I would like to go with online sessions. Subsequently, I started searching for videos which show the processes and the requirements to open an institute. It was then that I came across PD classes. Although there are a myriad videos available regarding opening an institute, but PD classes looked more promising. It was then that I called them up and spoke to them. My husband and I, both of us, spoke to them, and we were quite convinced. And today I am here pursuing this course to open an institute. And I must say that I made the right decision. Though I had 18 years of experience teaching English, I needed the right direction, which I have received here in PD classes from Mr. Manoj Sharma. Thank you, sir, and team.